One of the things that's very common in the back office to middle office in the banking industry is it involves a multitude of systems and a multitude of external services, making it highly inefficient. So a very simple FX payment, for example, involves multiple parties, multiple systems, and takes 2 to 3 days from the inception of that trade to its settlement. Blockchain would give us the opportunity to radically re-engineer those operations so that instead of taking several days, it takes a few moments to complete, and everybody can see that data in an instant.
Cross-border has been there for the longest time in terms of telegraphic transfers, type of transactions. But more and more customers are looking at how to get that at a faster speed. So the traditional 3 to 5 days to get payments across to different countries is no longer the expectation. Customers are expecting instant if possible. Still, from a bank's perspective, we look at ways that we could help address the point on speed, a point on transparency and traceability to our customers for cross-border transactions. We also offer our own product called DBS Priority Pay. So within the Asian region of DBS markets, our customers, if they're paying across DBS branches, they can actually get it almost instantly for cross-border. So for accuracy to get it right is usually at the payment initiation, when customers initiate payments through our electronic platform called Ideal. And what we try to do with Ideal is we try to ensure that we get the customers to give us the information that is relevant, that will make it easy for them, as well as getting the information right when it comes to cross-border payments. So by doing that kind of validation, with that kind of validation capabilities on that platform, it helps to minimize any form of failures for transactions that goes downstream or across to the beneficiary banks. So
we're looking at providing blockchain networks to our clients, but also looking at the value-added services which layer on top of those. For example, there are initiatives over the last couple of years which have looked at payments, cross-border payments, for example, which are often underpinned by a cryptocurrency. But it's understanding the consequences of those trades to the bank. So they need a measure of liquidity management over the top of the blockchain network itself. We're interested in providing those additional value-added services as well as a basic blockchain network capability.
In the same way, home currency cash flows are projected from within the system, foreign currency cash flows are also in the system as well, in various disparate systems in an organization. At the same time, you have bank statements coming from foreign correspondent banks. So it's no different in terms of providing the predictions and forecast of what your requirements would be on any given day. Then what it does do is that it gives the treasurer the tools to say, right, I can see that at the moment I'm long, but tomorrow I'm going to be short. So do I do an overnight swap into a home currency, or do I just leave it in the same currency? That decision obviously stays with the treasurer themselves, but it gives them granular information in terms of the flow of the foreign currency that is needed.
The way we are moving in life and the way all the industries are moving, this is a need that is increasing day by day. Whether if you open up your own shop or you're an SME, small medium enterprise, you're going to be needing a payment tool that will help you basically import your goods from somewhere else, from another country. Whether you are a migrant living in a more developed country, you're going to need our services in order to transfer money to your home country in order to help out your loved ones who stayed back. So we did whatever it takes from a technology perspective, from a regulatory perspective, to ensure that customers can send that money from an account and it will land on an account through the convenience of their couch at home, working on their mobile app. And our customers, they don't want to become experts of the payment industry. They really don't care what you're using. What they really care about, they care about getting the best service. It's like you trying to pump fuel in your car at a petrol station. Do you really care what is the pump brand, how does the pump work, or whatever have you? All what you need is that pump is going to give you fuel and you're going to continue your journey. And our customers are the same. They just want to continue their journey, and we need to take out that headache of payments, that headache of money transfer out of their journey.